Yes, I am new to GlórTíre. This is my first time, and I'm just really looking forward to it because I've always watched it on TV, and it's just fantastic to be here in the Keys eventually, because it was always an aim of mine to be on it. So just really looking forward to it. It's great, you know. It's a little bit strange because he is my older brother, so he's used to telling me what to do a little bit. So I'm kind of giving him orders at the moment. But it's, you know, we're just enjoying it. It's sounding great, and as I say, it's lovely to be here. Yeah, we did play a lot together in our teenage years. We went as the Ryan Brothers, and we did a lot of gigs in the southeast and in the south as well. So I mean, we did gig quite a lot in the social dancing scene, you know. It's lovely to have him on with me. It's bringing back memories of all the gigs we did when we were younger, and since then I suppose I've kind of gone into the country scene in a big way, you know. So it's great to be on the stage again, and just, as I always say, you know, we'll just have the crack and enjoy it. Well, you know, we are very, very busy at the moment, and free time there's not a lot of free time, but I mean, when I do come home and might have a day or two off, I like to just do very simple things, you know, just go to the cinema, or I love going to see comedians. I love going to the theatre maybe as well, and going to gigs, and sometimes as well just a night off and just chill out watching TV, go for a walk maybe as well, so, you know. Is Misha Derek Ryan, Féach GlórTíre, TG4, Gach Céadaoin.